How to have fun planning your retirement and feel great about it. Retirement planning, just saying those words makes some people want to run for the hills. It sounds serious, complicated, maybe even a little boring. But here's the truth. Planning your retirement can actually be fun, yes. And more importantly, it can make you feel good, confident, in control, like you're designing a future that's exciting, not just inevitable. So how do you turn retirement planning from a chore into something you actually enjoy? Well, let's talk about it. Dream first, plan second. Most people start by crunching numbers. How much do I need? What's my pension doing? But that's the wrong approach. First, let's dream. Close your eyes and picture it. What does your ideal retirement look like? Are you traveling the world, living by the sea, starting that passionate project you've never had time for? The first step to make a retirement about what excites you. Once you have a vision, then we can make the numbers work for that, not the other way around. The next step is turn saving into a game. Let's be honest, saving for retirement doesn't give you the same rush as spending on a holiday or a shiny new car. But what if we turned it into a game? Set small, exciting goals, create challenges. How much can you invest this month without even noticing? Automate savings so your future self gets paid first. Track progress like you would a fitness goal, because financial fitness is just as rewarding. And here's the kicker. When you see your retirement fund growing, when you know you're on track, you'll feel good, because that's peace of mind. And peace of mind is priceless. The third step is build a life, not just a nest egg. Now, here's the secret that no one talks about. Retirement isn't just about money, it's about purpose. You can have all the wealth in the world, but if you don't know what you're retiring to, you'll feel lost. So plan for more than just finances. Think about your time, your routines, your social life. Will you learn new skills, join new communities, stay active? The happiest retirees aren't the ones with the biggest portfolios. They're the ones with the best plans for their days. So let's flip the script. Retirement planning isn't about restrictions. It's about possibilities. It's not just about numbers, it's about freedom. Dream big, make saving a challenge, not a chore, and don't just build a retirement fund, build a retirement life. Because when you do, retirement planning doesn't just feel good, it feels exciting. And that's exactly how it should be.